Thank you for dropping by. We have 10457 Richmond Avenue in Cedar Lake. It's a beautiful little paired villa. It's a ranch, so it's great for people who want one level living, no steps, and it's got a 2-car attached garage. It's 2 bedrooms, 2 baths. It also has a den plus an extra sunroom. It's got lots of space. It's easy maintenance. Also, the HOA fees are very low. That includes lawn maintenance, snow removal, and there's also a pool and a pool house nearby, which also has an exercise room. So if you don't want to put anything in your house, you can walk on over to the pool house and do your exercise there. It's a great neighborhood. It's very conveniently located pretty close to St. John and Dyer, not far off the Illinois border if you need to drive into work. Very quiet neighborhood. I'd be happy to show you the actual property if you want to swing on by, or if you know somebody who's interested in a ranch home in your neighborhood, send them by to the open house. If you are interested in buying or selling a home somewhere else, I'd love to help you. My number is 219-588-9494, and my name's Olga Vega. I can help you whether you're moving across the road, across the state, or across the country. I'd love to help you. Reach out to me. Thanks. Bye.